Hi, this is Bill for SparkyChannel.com. Today I'd like to introduce you to the Klein Tools 7-in-1 multi-tool. It weighs about 12 ounces. The weight is kept down by the outside being aluminum. And it has 4 tools that are accessible from the outside. Right away, you have the 3-inch pocket knife, which is called a drop knife, and it's made of 440A stainless steel. It has a liner lock, which you depress, and you can close up the pocket knife just like that. So that's one tool. Then you grab this right here. You got a straight slot screwdriver right here, and put that back in. And next to it, you have the number 2 Phillips right there. So you got the straight slot and the number 2 Phillips right next to each other. And then you put that back in. And right here, you have tweezers. How do you like that? So if you get a metal splinter or something like that, you can pull out your tweezers. When you open up the multi-tool, you have 3 more tools. Right here, these are pliers. They're called hybrid pliers. They're not as wide as lineman's pliers. They're not as thin as needle nose pliers. They're called hybrid pliers. You can do grabbing and twisting of wires as long as there's not too many wires. This is not that wide. 2 or 3 wires you can easily twist though with these hybrid pliers. And then you got the wire strippers. You got from 12 to 16 for stranded wire, and you have from 10 gauge to 14 gauge for solid wire. So here I have some solid number 12. So first of all, I'll show you, you can cut it with the cutters, and then the middle one, you see the middle one for solid is number 12. So put it right in there. And there you go. So as a wrap up, this is a real nice multi-tool. If you can only have one tool someplace, boy, this would be a good choice right here. Not too heavy, 12 ounces. And you got the 3-inch knife, you got the Phillips, the straight slot, you got the tweezers right here. Close that up and you open it up. You got the hybrid pliers, the strippers, and the cutters. 7-in-1 multi-tool. Nice tool. So there you go. Brand new from Klein. I'll put a link in my video description for the Klein Electrician's Hybrid Plier 7-in-1 multi-tool. And I'll put a link for the new Klein CL450 HVAC meter. Also, I'll put a link for the Klein 10 times AC line splitter, the new Klein 8-in-1 HVAC multi-tool, the new Klein 7-in-1 nut driver, the new Klein combustible gas detector, and the new Klein hybrid multi-purpose pliers. Thanks, I hope this video was helpful.